Now, here we have some Assam tea, which I've read contains a high concentration of caffeine per weight, more than coffee grinds. So I'm just going to sit here emptying these into a bowl. That's a good way to do it. Fold this in half, tear a corner, and let it all fall out. You can just buy loose leaf tea. So 99 grams. To this we want to add a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate. This is going to aid in separation later. Next, we add this to a clean beaker. Our water. This is going to take some time to heat up. Oops. I have transferred what was in the beaker into this saucepan. I'm going to wash out the contents. This should also speed up the process. added some more water, and once we bring this to a boil we can stop. Like so. Now I think it is ready to turn the heat off, and we will transfer it to here and place the plunger. Some more water was required. Oh, this really doesn't like to plunge. Now I have 200 milliliters. This is as much as my separatory funnel will take with the solvent as well. Obviously this is not the most efficient, and you could repeat the process to extract more from the tea. The tea has now been added to the separatory funnel. For the extraction, I will be using ethyl acetate as my solvent. We will do 2 to 3 extractions using 50 milliliters. Multiple extractions is more efficient than one large extraction volume. Being a lightweight solvent, it is on the top. I need to go and fetch the lid and shake and vent. Now then, this is our extracted caffeine. We're going to dry this solvent by adding a saturated salt solution. We know it's saturated when no more salt will dissolve. See, there's salt still on the bottom and our solution is saturated. We can pour this into our solvent. Like that. Draws any water into the aqueous phase. Now we can add some molecular sieves just to dry it a little further. Now, in about half an hour, we can decant from the sieves. Carefully. And warm up the solvent to evaporate. Almost evaporated. We've turned the heat down. If I tilt the beaker and blow, we don't even need to blow. Look at that, it's a white powder. That is our caffeine, crude caffeine. Very soon that will be a dry powder. We must be careful not to heat the powder because we can burn it. And there it is, with some impurities, the darker stuff. Our crude caffeine.